Morning, welcome to Edison's Capital. We're here with a brand new account. I already took one trade. So we took a short here, pre-market to this level. Now we're coming down. These are the daily pivots. So I think we're coming down to the equilibrium, which is the about 634. Still have to wait. I think definitely we're touching that 667. Um, I'm waiting here because it could push up, but it is breaking. RSI's pushing down. Everything's pushing down. I might just put an order for selling here. And as you guys can see, I'm doing the 4 hour and the 15 minute, and this is just a way to stop over trading. Let's see. Uh, there's no news today, so there's no news on the 12th. So yeah. Now we're getting a swipe here. And we're going to be trading light. So I do think that price should get here, but it did swipe these pre-market lows. Now we are trading. Look how here it's a flat. Yeah, yeah. Oof, it hit our target, and we are up 168 right now on this account. There's a 15-minute swing low here, so we're gonna wait for the closure of this candle, but it looks like it wants to go to the equilibrium. Might take a trade, I might not. We're gonna wait. If I see pressure continue, and I might take that short for another 40 points. I'm expecting a reaction here, but there's a strong sell-off right off the market. We're already down 100 points. And we're already below the 200 moving average. We're definitely going to close below this swing high. If I go into the 5 minute, this is the first 5 minute candle that's closing. And nice strong push here. We're going to sell here a little bit. Just fading this move. So now we're up 200. If we close below it, I'm going to wait to see if this next one pushes to the next swing low. We just need to wait to see how this candle closes. Just wants to push down. I just want to make sure we're not over trading. That was the reason to change to the 4-hour structure and the 15 minutes. So we're just gonna wait for the candle to close. Still 6 more minutes. So here we're seeing another push. So I might sell here. Now we're gonna take it to the equilibrium. Um, we're just betting on this push, strong push to the downside. Already up 10 points, 6 points. Push up. Let's see. Okay, so we're just catching these pushes, these impulses. Um, we're up now 270. Um, Now, when this candle closes, it could push up the new 15, so it closes in 3 minutes. So I might get out and then look for a re-enter, um, because this thing could push all the way to the 94, the very next candle. So need to be aware of that. So now we're gonna be up a little over 300 here. Gonna get out. Um, oh, so we're waiting for this candle to close. Should hit the equilibrium. Um, Equilibrium is at 34. This is the daily equilibrium. On a bullish push. Oh, we got 2 more minutes. Look at this. We got out. We're gonna go down to the 5 just to see what the structure is like. So I am expecting for price to push up to this area. If it pushes there, we get a 5 minute to the downside. We'll take the short. If it keeps dropping, we'll take the long as support. So we'll wait. See how the 15 closes. Now we're waiting for 1 more minute here before this 15 closes. So um, now this 15 closing, we might go down to the 1 minute to catch up from this push, a reversal to the downside. And it's going exactly to where we said. Also, we might just need to start holding the trades longer. Once we read something, letting it play out. We're able to get into this discount area here. Could potentially take the short for the continuation or even an engulfing here to the downside. So we're paying attention to this 1 minute candle structure. Okay. Oh shit. Yeah, it went. We're gonna short here, guys. We're gonna join this push to the downside. Buyers here. Good strength to the downside. Staying patient. Let's see how this 1 minute candle happens because it could swipe below the equilibrium of the day and push up to this area. So we just have to be careful here. If we see that it's failing, then it's going to go down to the equilibrium of the week of 524, which is more likely. So we're here. I think it might have trapped me here. I think I up into the 5 is tough. Yeah, I didn't like that trade and that entry and that execution. The hour is gonna close, so it could push down a little bit. I mean, it could wake up. See, there's buyers here. Why is there buyers here? Previous equilibrium. This drawdown could be a little much. Wait for the retracement. Target here. We're up 420. We haven't lost a trade yet, so we've been executing correctly, sizing correctly. All we're going to focus on now is execution. So we didn't get the retracement to that, but it pushed down. Equilibrium is all the way at 515. You go look for that level. We'll see. And there was buyers here that pushed price pretty good, so they're putting up a fight here. Here's the new hour pushing. Close it above here. I think it's gonna push these highs. It might long here. And I took a cute. Oh, took I took along with one NQ and MNQ, so I took a mini here. Would have left these. Probably would have passed the account already. So we're up 7 something. Um, There's a 5 minute. I think it should push a little bit more. Here. The reason I like TraderBait is because it executes a lot faster than TradingView. I like TradingView because we're able to see where price is at. Um, but I definitely like this more. So we haven't lost a trade today. If this price closes here, potentially see the upside continue to push. But for right now, we're gonna wait for the first and second candle. We might look for a short here to the downside once it gets to this levels, these moving averages. If it does, see where price is over here, the equilibrium. I think it should try to look for this area. So 50% retracement out of this candle. Um, so if we put a fib retracement from this candle here, we should get to this same area that we talked about. This will be the discount for a short, but it could still continue to push without retracing back over there. So we have to make sure that we're aware of that it could still push down without full retracement. But we shouldn't take a trade unless it's very, very clear that that is what's happening. We should still see if we want to tie it to a swing low here in the 1 hour is this level here. The price could retrace there. But we want to wait for a retracement. We took part of the reversal already. Still 2 minutes for this 5 minutes to close. So we're fine. Let's wait. So here we are. Price is still holding here. Hasn't pushed, but it hasn't dropped. So here, potentially push here to the downside. So the trade was here to here. So we're getting a push here. See what? See, no pa acá si quiere. We're getting a strong push here after he came down for orders. Um, good push through. Um, we might lose the first trade of the day here. I don't think so. I think it should push over here to this gap here. We're gonna keep the drawdown all the way down here. So we're here. Let's see if it pushes. I didn't really like that entry, but we are going against that 1 hour candle. Well, that 4 hour candle. I'm betting that we could retrace just to this area here. There's enough push here on the other side, but it's starting to kind of fold here. This 5 minutes still needs 2 more minutes to close. And we're out of it. So we just closed 15 out of 15 trades. We didn't lose a trade today. It's a good day. Let's take that and let's keep going.